Transferring money from Barclays to Santander is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, open up the Barclays site. So, to transfer money from Barclays to Santander, all you need to do is follow the steps I'm going to describe. Using the Transfer Money module, the quickest way to transfer money is to use this module on your online banking homepage. And if you've removed the module from your homepage, you can add it back by selecting Add More to this page, which you will find in the top blue navigation bar, or you can follow the instructions for option 2. Then, make sure the section is maximized by selecting the blue arrow next to the heading. You will now see an amount field and 2 drop-down options. Now type in how much money you want to transfer in the full amount field and select the accounts you're transferring between using the drop-downs. You can transfer money immediately by selecting Transfer Now, or you can set up a transfer for a specific date by selecting Transfer Later. On the next screen, review the payment details to make sure they're correct. Then select Complete Transfer if they're correct. Select the back button if you need to make any changes, or select Cancel if you no longer want to proceed. After that, select Make Transfers and Standing Orders in the Service Center menu, and click on Between Your Own Accounts under Transfer Money Between Accounts.